Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to solve a couple of integral questions. Definite integrals. So we need to use substitution methods for question 1. So we got 0 to 1. So this is the function is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So if you look at the denominator, 1 plus x squared, I would think using potentially I'm going to use 1 plus, I'm going to use this formula equal to secant x. So this is the formula I'm going to consider to use substitution methods. So I would so I'm going to use the letter x equal to 10, maybe it is to 10t. So use another variable. So therefore, so x from 0 to 1, we need to decide a new domain. So 0 to 1, so t will be from, so if you do inverse, so it'll be 0 to pi over 4. So you will see the integrations changed. So then I'm going to dx dt, so which is 10d, derivative 10 is secant t squared. So according to the derivative of 10, so therefore dx will be secant squared t times by dt. So now I'm going to put together. So my original integral will be 0 to 1 to 0 to pi over 4. So 1 divided by 1 plus 10 t times by dx is a secant t squared and dt. Then I'm going to change to 1 over secant t times by secant t squared again. So that's, so you can see obviously this is a, now we know that I becomes pi 0 to pi over 4. So these two cancel down to become 1 dt. So the answer will be t from 0 to pi over 4. We substitute pi over 4 minus 0. So the answer is pi over 4. That's it. Question 1 solved using substitution method. Question B, we can see this is 0 to pi over 4 2 sine square x dx. So now I'm going to use another formula. So we call double angle identity for cosine 2 theta 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. So that's called double angle for cosine. So I'm going to change 2 sine square x will be equal to 1 minus cosine 2x. So that's the formula I'm going to use, called double angle identity. So switch the sine squared to non-square. So the key is we don't want that square. So we want to change to non-square. So this is a non-square. So that'll be a lot easier to integrate it. So we say this is equal to Still same, 0 to pi over 4. 2 lots of sine square become bracket 1 cosine 2x dx. So now easy to integrate it. So we can see we do one at a time. The 1 dx minus 0 to pi over 4. So I'm going to put a half in the front. Sorry, cosine we just put down first. All right, the first one is the x. Second one is the cosine is a negative sign, so become 1 divided by 2 sine 2x. So we plug 0 pi over 4, 0 to pi over 4. So cosine is a negative sign. Then we will plug it in pi over 4 plus sine 2 pi become pi over 2 minus 0 minus half times by sine 0, which is 0. So basically this is all 0. So the answer will be pi over 4 plus half sine pi over 4 is 1. So the answer is pi over 4 plus half. Or if you want to make one fraction, so pi plus pi over 2. That's it. So using the two techniques to solve for integration problem. But the first one is called substitution. The second one is using double angle formula. Please subscribe channel to continue support this channel, and also don't forget to give us thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.